Google Maps and Waze both use AI to predict traffic, suggest routes, and generally just make your trips a little bit easier. But how? Well, these are some of the ways. No. 1. Using deep learning to anticipate traffic patterns. One of the most important things for Maps apps is predicting what the traffic is going to be like. After all, it's no use telling people it's going to take an hour to get somewhere if it's actually only going to take 20 minutes. And while they can't predict accidents or other events that might cause traffic, they can predict general patterns of traffic flow based on time of day, day of week, special events, and more with deep learning algorithms. These algorithms allow the Maps app to learn from past traffic patterns and make predictions about future traffic based on similar patterns. For example, if there is a big concert in town and the Maps app sees that traffic gets really bad around the stadium at the same time every night, it can predict that traffic will be bad around that stadium at the same time the next night. This kind of prediction is really useful because it allows the Maps app to reroute drivers around areas of heavy traffic, reducing congestion and travel time. It also helps to reduce the number of wrong turns people make when they're driving, and when you're driving along and you miss your turn because you were too busy fiddling with your GPS. Well, deep learning algorithms can analyze images captured by Street View, and then use that data to train models that can recognize different types of road signs and traffic lights. Once trained, these models can be used to provide drivers with accurate information about upcoming turns, including the type of turn, the distance to the turn, and any relevant traffic signs or signals. This information can be used to help drivers navigate more efficiently and safely, which is especially useful in unfamiliar areas. Number 2, utilizing recurrent neural networks to optimize routes. So what exactly is a recurrent neural network? Well, it's a type of artificial intelligence that specializes in working with sequential data, like text or time series data, which is exactly what we have in our Maps and Navigation app. Instead of just looking at a single data point at a time, recurrent neural networks can look at a whole sequence of data points and use that context to make predictions. Let's say we're trying to map out the best route from point A to point B. A traditional algorithm might just look at the distance between each possible route and choose the shortest one. But a recurrent neural network can look at more information like traffic patterns, road closures and construction zones, as well as the sequence of turns and road types that make up each route. That way it can take into account things like whether a certain road is usually congested at a certain time of day, or whether there is a better alternative route that isn't necessarily the shortest, but is faster based on the time of day and other factors. This allows the Maps app to provide drivers with the most up-to-date and efficient routes possible, taking into account a wide range of factors that go beyond just the distance. So next time you're using your Maps app to plan a route, think about all the complex calculations that are happening in the background to make sure you get there as quickly and efficiently as possible. 3. Leveraging sensor data from vehicles to improve real-time traffic information. Many cars are now equipped with sensors that collect data about the car's surroundings, such as its speed, location, and the speed of other vehicles around it. This data can be anonymized and aggregated to provide real-time information about traffic conditions without the need for expensive and less accurate methods like using cameras or human observers. By leveraging sensor data, Maps apps can provide drivers with more accurate and up-to-date information about traffic conditions, which can help them make better decisions about their routes and travel times. In addition, this approach can help alleviate some of the privacy concerns associated with tracking drivers through their devices because the data is anonymized before being used to provide traffic information. Overall, the use of sensor data is an innovative way for Maps and Navigation apps to improve their services and provide drivers with better information to help them avoid traffic and get to their destinations more efficiently. 4. Employing computer vision to analyze Street View images. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and machines to see and interpret images and videos in the same way that humans do. This technology has a wide range of applications, including in Maps and Navigation apps. For example, computer vision can be used to analyze images captured by Google Street View to identify and map features such as roads, buildings, and parks. This information can then be used to improve the accuracy and completeness of maps, which can be especially helpful in areas that are not well mapped. Additionally, Computer vision can be used to detect changes in real time. Traffic conditions by analyzing video feeds from cameras located at various intersections or on highways. This information can be used to provide drivers with up-to-date information about traffic flow and congestion levels, which can help them avoid delays and plan more efficient routes. Overall, the use of computer vision is transforming the way that maps and navigation apps work by providing more accurate, detailed, and up-to-date information to users. 5. Using natural language processing to understand user queries. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. In the context of maps and navigation apps, NLP can be used to process user queries and requests, which are often phrased in natural language. For example, a user might ask a voice assistant to find the nearest coffee shop or restaurant or to get directions home. An NLP algorithm would be able to understand the intent behind the query, which is to find a nearby place to eat or drink and provide the user with relevant information, such as the name, location, and hours of operation of nearby establishments. Additionally, NLP can be used to process user reviews and ratings for businesses listed on maps, which can help to improve the accuracy and usefulness of the information provided to users. For example, if a user leaves a review mentioning a long wait time, NLP could identify that as a negative sentiment and flag the business for potential issues with wait times, which could then be investigated further by the business owner or the Maps app developers. Overall, the use of NLP is transforming the way that maps and navigation apps interact with users, making them more intuitive, responsive, and helpful. 6. Integrating collaborative filtering to personalize recommendations. Collaborative filtering is a type of recommendation system that is commonly used in online platforms such as Netflix and Amazon to provide users with personalized recommendations based on the preferences and behavior of other users with similar tastes. In the context of maps and navigation apps, collaborative filtering can be used to provide users with personalized recommendations for places to eat, shop, or visit based on the preferences and behavior of other users with similar interests. For example, if a user frequently visits coffee shops and restaurants in the app could use collaborative filtering to recommend other coffee shops and restaurants that are similar to those the user has visited in the past. By leveraging the preferences and behavior of other users with similar tastes, collaborative filtering can help maps and navigation apps provide their users with more relevant and personalized recommendations, making their experiences more enjoyable and tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Well, there you have it, folks. The 6 ways that AI is transforming the way we use maps and navigation apps. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is making our commutes more efficient and enjoyable. What do you think of the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.